Good morning, students. If you last class is already discussing for revision class unit 1. So this section also for continue for the first lesson revision for the pending concept. So if you last class, if you finally finished about density of different materials, okay. So definition of density and what is the density, okay, and different type of materials density level is also for explained. If a table 1.4 is also explained for the common density of materials for the room temperature. So for example, so gas, if a gas, natural gas, if a density of value here 1.2, and kerosene, if a liquid, if a 800, water 1000, mercury 30,000 of 600, okay. And solid of point, wood, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, gold is also for given for some values for the density of value. So it's also asking for one more questions, okay. And problem 1.4 is explained in last class, and 1.5 and 1.6 already finished, okay. Now if a relation between the density and mass volume, okay, if a general formula density d equal to m by v, that's mean mass into volume, that is a formula. Suppose if you need the value of mass is mean if you're moving of volume this side, so mass equal to density into volume, that is change the formula. Suppose if you need the volume of volume, if you're moving up mass this side, so mass by density is equal to volume. That is a three relations formula for taken of major formula density equal to mass by volume, okay. And if you're measuring the distance for the celestial bodies, very long distance, okay, in astronomical, very long distance of particles or materials measured for of this concept, okay. And we within a space research, astronomers need for very long distance. Such a distance is a earth and star distance between the two stars, okay. So it's not only for for two material. If you have one star to another star, one earth to another star, so if your astronomical unit is a very longest distance of measuring of distance, okay. We shall learning about the unit, and namely astronomical unit and light year, okay. So if you astronomical unit, so what is the astronomical unit is already explained in, okay. So astronomical unit, one astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun, okay. What is the astronomical unit definition? If you have one astronomical unit, um, defined as average distance between the earth and sun, okay. So average distance in earth and sun, okay. So between the value of astronomical unit, so 1 AU, one astronomical unit equal to 149.6 million kilometer, or 1.149.6 10 power of plus 6 kilometer, or 1.496 10 power of plus 11 meter. That is called one astronomical unit. It's mean if a distance of average distance of sun and earth, okay, that is a meter of value, kilometer of value, and million kilometer of value, okay. It's mean of one astronomical unit, okay. So if we comparing of Neptune and all other planets, is also for of get different values, not for the same value. Earth and the sun of average value of 1.4, and other planets is not the same value, it's different values only, okay. So light year, so what is a light year, okay. So if a definition of a light year, one light year is defined as the distance traveled by the light in vacuum if during the period of 1 year, okay. If any of vacuum place, if you pass through of one light, if a traveling of light in 1 year in a vacuum place, that is reaching the distance is called